Number 7 in parentheses. Number 1. Number 7 in parentheses is media. Number 1. Producing or promoting media that supports, condones, or celebrates child abuse violates natural law. Number 2, producing or promoting media, including but not limited to music, movies, and literature that supports, condones, or celebrates violence or sexual assault of any kind, violates natural law. Number 3, producing or promoting a media that displays or promotes gratuitous sexual content, sexual assault language, or lewd content violates natural law. Number 4, framing someone else's words or message in a different context than intended violates natural law. Number 5, manipulating the tone of someone's message with visuals or background music without their consent violates natural law. Number 6, using someone else's work to promote a message other than intended violates natural law. Number 8, attributing material to someone other than the one who produced it violates natural law. Number 9, perpetuating, supporting, or promoting us versus them narratives violates natural law. Number 10, spreading fear and traumatization propaganda, i.e. displaying graphic images of violence, injury, or abuse violates natural law. Number 11, the use of covert neurolinguistic programming violates natural law. Number 12, the use of covert hypnosis violates natural law. Number 13, the use of covert archetypal messaging violates natural law. Number 14, subliminal messaging violates natural law. Number 15, misleading marketing advertising violates natural law. Number 16, false headlines or misleading photos are deceptive and violate natural law. 17, use of media for social engineering violates natural law. Number 18, fear-mongering or unnecessarily exciting anxiety is a criminal violation of natural law. In parentheses, it says installs, triggers, desensitizes, and undermines human initiative. In parentheses. Number 19, polling for undisclosed purposes violates natural law. Number 20, presenting speculative reports as factual is misleading and violates natural law. Number 21, invasion of privacy, spreading gossip, and slander violate natural law. Number 22, scripting, producing, and spreading false narratives to deceive others violates natural law. Number 23, producing or supporting media for political and governmental entertainment apparatuses violates natural law. Number 24, media related to the following topics generally contains hidden agendas, mind-controlling technologies, or subliminal messaging. And there's dots and lines underneath that says sacred geometry, numerology, gematria, holidays, religion, channeling, extraterrestrial propaganda, light orbs, music that promotes salvation of unembodied entities, i.e., Holy Spirit, is all under that section of media related. Okay. Number 8, community. In parentheses, number 1. Notions of social hierarchy that perpetuate the illusion of some people being more important than others is inconsistent with natural law. Number 2. Objectifying people, groups, or races violates natural law. Number 3. Showing social preference for one people group over another violates natural law. Number 4. Natural law does not recognize social labels. Number 5. Showing prejudicial. Number 5. Showing prejudicial treatment based on race, age, sex, etc. violates natural law. Number 6. Nationalism creates divisions and violates natural law. Number 7. Repeating words out of context violates natural law. Number 8. Attributing a message to someone other than the one who gave it violates natural law. Number 9. Repeating or circulating false reports or giving false testimony violates natural law. Number 10. Human covert experimentation violates natural law. Number 11. Profiteering from social movements is unlawful by natural law. Number 12. The use of covert neurolinguistic communication to manipulate others violates natural law. Number 13. Telling the truth is not a business for profit. It is our obligation by natural law. Number 14. Matters of right and wrong are not determined nor influenced by petitions or public opinion. Number 15. If you have a dispute with someone, go to them and resolve it. If you cannot resolve it, acquire a neutral third party to act as mediator or judge. If you still cannot resolve it, take it to the community council or ecclesia. If a public hearing becomes necessary, disputants select an agreed upon judge and counsel. Disputants also agree to abide by the judge or counsel's decision. Number 16. If you have something against someone, or someone has something against you, go to them and work it out as soon as possible. Number 17. Once someone has corrected their behavior, the wrong they corrected through restitution and restoration is dissolved. Number 18. Bestowing special honors to select individuals violates natural law. Number 19. Calling people derisive names such as Killary for Hillary violates natural law. Number 20. Locking humans in cages, jail, is inhumane and violates natural law. Number 21. Deliberately killing someone is murder unless used as a last resort to protect human life. Number 22. Killing and eating animals is a form of cannibalism and implies consent for the killing and eating of humans and therefore violates natural law. 23. Lying violates natural law. 24. Causing harm or injury to another human violates natural law. Number 25. War, the state of armed conflict between communities, tribes, or nation, violates natural law. Number 26. Promoting or inciting war violates natural law. Number 27. Humans are by obligation protectors of all life systems, including one another. Number 28. Using humor that degrades, humiliates, harasses, or promotes violence violates natural law. 29. Manufacturing emergencies to instill fear and control populations is a criminal violation of natural law. Number 30. Master yourself or be mastered by unknown energetic influence. Those are your choices. Number 31. Where harm is done, restitution and restoration is offered. That's the natural law way. 32. Anyone who kills or condones killing unborn babies is a danger to society and is stopped. Number 33. The use of flags, banners, emblems, sigils, and logos to promote social movements, products, and ideologies for profit is energy harvesting and violates natural law. Number 34. The use of naming conventions that rob humans of individual self-sovereignty violates natural law. Number 35. Repeat offenders, such as those who prey on children, are restricted to contained communities far away from any potential victims until healing is assured and complete. Number 36. The human community intervenes where violations of rights occur. Number 37. Protectors serve the people, not the other way around. Number 38. Attributing non-human animal characteristics to humans misrepresents human creative power and violates natural law. Number 39. Perpetuating, supporting, or promoting fictitious law systems violates natural law. Number 40. Treaties and contracts made under fictitious law forms are null and void. Number 41. Promoting government violates natural law. Number 42. Promoting politics violates natural law. 43. Taking oaths to establish accountability violates natural law. Only liars take oaths. In parentheses. Number 44. Police, policy enforcers, by definition, perform criminal acts and therefore perpetuating, maintaining, or promoting police activity violates natural law. Number 45. All government apparatuses such as licensing, permitting, and certifying are issued and maintained in violation of natural law. Number 46. Use of patents, trademarks, registrations, and copyrights are unlawful by natural law. Number 47. Perpetuation of indoctrination programs and propagandized educational systems violates natural law. Number 48. Perpetuation of indoctrination programs and propagandized science violates natural law. Number 49. Perpetuating indoctrination programs and propagandized historical narratives violates natural law. Number 50. Use of special titles such as doctor or esquire to honor some people over others violates natural law. Number 51. Assigning social labels to people, groups such as liberal, conservative, etc. violates natural law. Number 9 in parentheses says dispute resolution. And number 1. A dispute is a disagreement not resulting from significant loss or harm or a criminal act. Number 2. Disputes are settled quickly between disputants wherever possible. Number 3. Disputants who are unable to settle a matter between themselves bring the matter before a judge who is agreed upon by both parties. Number 4. Disputants agree to abide by the judge's ruling. Number 5. A judge is a respected community member who is called upon to render a decision in order to settle a dispute. Number 6. A judge is an unpaid volunteer who acts in service to the community by free will choice as called upon. Number 7. Accepting payment for service such as judge violates natural law. Number 8. Any adult who is called upon may, by free will choice, act as judge in order to settle a dispute. Number 9. When a disputant refuses reasonable attempts to settle a matter and refuses to agree on a judge, the matter is brought before the ecclesia. Number 10. Disputes brought before the ecclesia are settled by the ecclesia council.